There are several reasons why Discord screen sharing might not be working or displaying a black screen. The issue could be due to insufficient permissions, so try running the program as an administrator. Another potential cause is hardware acceleration, which may conflict with your graphics card. Additionally, changes in video settings or an outdated cache could result in a black screen. If your graphics card drivers are outdated, that could also be contributing to the problem. So let's look how to fix them. Let's run Discord as administrator. For this, go to Search and type Discord. Next, right-click on Discord and select Run as administrator. If you get pop-up, click on Yes. Now go and check whether screen sharing black screen is resolved or not. If not resolved, then move to Next Steps, where we disable hardware acceleration. For this, click on User Settings icon at bottom left corner. Next, click on Advanced option. Then have sure that you have toggled off hardware acceleration. This can sometimes resolve conflicts with your graphics card or other hardware. So try temporarily disable it and check your issue is resolved or not. If this does not resolve your issue, then let's adjust video settings. For this, click on User Settings icon at bottom left corner. Next, click on Voice and Video on the left pane. Then scroll down the main screen. Then toggle off hardware acceleration option from here as well. Also toggle off Open H.264 video codec, as this codec optimizes video compression, and in this process it may create black screen. So temporarily disable them. Now go and check whether your issue is resolved or not. Next things, let's clear cache, as outdated cache might create a problem. For this, close Discord from system tray. Also make sure you do not have Discord in Task Manager. If you find, then end Task Discord. In my case, there is no Discord. To clear cache, press Windows plus R from keyboard. There type %appdata% and click on OK button. Next, navigate to Discord folder. Next, navigate to Cache folder. Then delete everything present inside Cache Data folder. Now go and check your issue is resolved or not. Next, let's update graphics driver if available. For this, open Device Manager. Next, expand Display Adapter and update all the available graphics. In my case, my system is already using latest best graphics, so I should not have to update them. If available, then just do that. Now go and check whether your issue is resolved or not. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.